Hello YouTube, welcome on this video. In this video, I'll show you how to hack your Everwing level, experience, and site experience. So let's go over to our browser and let's do this. So on this game, you must first load your game, then click on this side, then developer, then debugger. Then go over to browsermobile.js. Then click the Rectify source. So wait until it loads. Then after it loads, you must search this command. So number sign this that let's change it. Number sign this that then hit enter 6 times. Then look for this command. This.command earn plus equals e.command. So click this one, right? Then as you can see, there is a box here. So all you have to do is uncheck this one, then hit and play the game. So once playing, check this box again. So the game freeze. Then go back to console. Okay. So on this console, type this command. This that bosses kills 1000. So then press enter. Then go back to debugger. Then uncheck this box. Then resume the game. Alright, then die. As you can see, from level 29, I am now level 31. Right? So just repeat until you reach the maximum level. So if you like and love this video, please share it and don't forget to subscribe. So thank you and bye bye.